In this video, I will show you shortcut in Microsoft Excel A to Z. So by pressing Ctrl A, you can select your complete data. If you don't have the data, so your entire worksheet will be selected. By Ctrl B, you can bold your text. Ctrl C, you can copy and you can paste anyway. So by Ctrl C, you can copy and paste. Just press Ctrl C and you can copy. By Ctrl D, you can duplicate your first cell. Like here we can see number 10. You want to duplicate. So keep your mouse in second cell and press Ctrl D. So this way you can duplicate. By pressing Ctrl E, we are looking this notice. So we will cover in second part of this shortcut video. By Ctrl F, you can find and replace. So using the shortcut Ctrl F, you can open, find and replace. By Ctrl G, you can open, go to, give any cell reference like C1, then press enter. So it will redirect to C1 and C1 cell will be selected. Pressing Ctrl H, same you can open, find and replace. Ctrl I, you can make italic your text. So you will see here. Same Ctrl E, you can remove italic. Ctrl J, there is no use, it's empty shortcut. Ctrl K, you can insert hyperlink dialog box. So to create hyperlink in same worksheet or another worksheet, keep your cursor here. Now press Ctrl K. Select place in this document and give the reference cell. So I want to select A1 cell in sheet 1. Then click on OK. Now just click on it. So it will redirect to you in the cell 1. So this is the shortcut Ctrl K to create hyperlink. Ctrl L to create a table. Enter $H $13. Then press enter. So we can see in this particular H13 and 14 we created this table. Same, select your data to create table, control L. Now press enter. So with drop down and filter you can create table. Control M is empty. Control N, you can create a new workbook in Excel. So we can see now we have this multiple Excel workbook. Make sure it's not creating the control and new worksheet. It's a completely new book for Excel. Control O to open your worksheet. So you can select your workbook by pressing Control O. Control P, it will open the print. Then again press enter. Control Q is empty. Control R is empty. And if you know the use of Control R shortcut, so write in the comment. And same in another, you know the, so give the suggestion in comment box. Control S, you can save your document, your Excel file. Control T, you can create a table. Control U, you can underline. And again pressing Control U, you can add or remove underline. Control V, Control W to exit your worksheet. Control X to cut and Control Z to undo your document any editing. So this is the use of A to Z shortcut in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. If you have any suggestion, feedback, so drop your comment in comment box.